Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Harrier. It's equipped with the 3.0 V6 engine, same as the LEXUS RX 300 here in the United States. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and it comes with 57,617 original miles. This vehicle is also four-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to let you know, once you start this vehicle and put it in drive, all the doors will lock automatically. When you do put it in park and shut it off, you will have to push the button to unlock all the doors. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing down at the bottom, 92,726, that is the kilometers on this vehicle. 57,617, that is the miles again. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.